welcome back, my dear students. So in this lecture here, we're going to be adding that link. Hopefully you were able to do that on yourself. All right. And if you did, you can watch how I do it, and or you can just skip this lecture and go to the next. But anyway, so one thing is that I did not tell you is that this MySQL affected rows will check to see if any rows was affected. All right, in the database, and if it wasn't, then we will set a message. It's very self-explanatory. All right, we don't need this function here since rows were affected, right? So let's go ahead and add this functionality here with a link. Let me go to products, and I hope you did the same thing. Right here, get products, and I think the one in get products in admin is the one that we have. Get products in admin. We have that beautiful links, right? There we go. So hopefully you did that and you didn't create that from scratch, because the reason why we copy and paste is because of that, So category, beautiful. All right. So show categories in admin. Let's just paste that in here. And delete category. We're going to create that page right now. And this would be cat ID. Cat ID. Yep. Let's go ahead and go to delete order and just save as and delete category. All right. So we got everything we need actually here. We'll just say cat ID here, and we'll just say category deleted. Here we're just, everything is done for us here. We don't have to do much, right? There we go. I think that was easy, right? Make sure that you have delete from categories here. Wow, nice, right? All right, perfect. Come back here. We get this nice delete button here, and it looks like it's working. And it says category deleted. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right, of course you can put a little line there and make it look good. So you can go to categories and do that right here. So do that BG. Actually, let's do it right now. BG success. Beautiful. All right. And we could also create a message when we create it. All right, so let's do that real quick. Add category. Let's set a message here. Category created. It doesn't have to be that big, by the way. Set message. Test. Oops. It's not setting the message there. We add the category and then we set the message. All right, we got delete here. We set the message here, and we're supposed to do the same thing in the categories here. All right, I'll let you figure that out if you want. All right, it's supposed to be actually setting the message here when we create one, but it's not doing it. And another thing that you might want to add is here, we could check if this is empty, we'll get an error instead. All right, so you could come back here, and when you are adding, you can check this post. You can say if empty, all right, category title, all right, or right here, or cat title equals space or something like that. All right, we'll do, we'll set a message and we'll say echo this cannot be empty. All right, or something like that. And then else we'll process this information. All right. All right, so we can do something like that. Let's go and refresh here. This cannot be empty. Of course, you can set, you can put that here somewhere, but we can do a nice message too. So put a p tag here. All right, bg, oops, that's got to be single quotes right here, right? Make sure that, and danger actually. All right, so like this, there we go. This cannot be empty. All right, so I'm gonna figure out what happens with the session. Why is that not getting displayed here for some reason? And then I'll let you know in the following lectures or some other lectures. Or if you figure it out, let me know. Message me and tell me, hey, yeah, teacher, I figured it out. All right. So hopefully I forget on the next lectures. Hopefully I remember in the next lecture. See you in the next lecture. It was a pleasure. Take care.